Hey guys, we're at the PRI show and we're in the Centroid booth. Centroid, what a machine. So we at KB Racing, we have two of these beauties in our shop. These complete machining centers. As I've told you guys before, they are the coolest machine. They do an awesome job. Look at the wrap on this. This is a special Lizzie Musey wrap. Pat Musey has these machines in his shop. I have them in my KB Titan shop. They're great machines, and like I say, as I said before, if you don't know about them, basically Centroid, the machining center it's a turnkey package. You buy the machine, you've got the software with it, you've got serviceability like you've never seen before. Obviously, once in a while, you will have an issue running a machine for something, maybe something you did or whatever. You've got a problem, you call that technician. Within a day, you've got a technician on hand to fix that problem. You're back in the game, and I can't say that about any other machining company out there. So, can't thank Centroid enough. If you get by the show, guys, check it out. You absolutely would love to own one of these.